A lot of people do not learn to trade stocks because they just think it's overwhelming or it's confusing or it's super complicated. One of the terms we use in stock trading to know what a stock is about to do or to look at what a stock is about to do is an indicator. And certainly indicators is an area that Wall Street likes to make very, very complicated. Complicated names, complicated math. But the good news is you really need one indicator, just one indicator, and it's very, very simple. And I'm gonna give it to you today for free. Nobody else is gonna do that, okay? This is what it is. It's price. At TRADEway, we're gonna teach you how to look at the price of a stock, and within seconds, you're gonna be able to say, I have a reasonable reason to think that this stock is going to be going up in the future or down in the future. Does that sound complicated? It's really not. You're going to be able, like I said, to look at it and right away be able to tell which way it's going. And here at TRADEway, all those other indicators, they have a use, but we call them secondary indicators. So take off some of the pressure, come see us at a live event and learn how to confidently look at a chart and know within seconds where you think that stock is going to go.